Today, dear students, dear all, uh, today I'm under the topic business environment and strategic management. I'm going to explain regarding Unit 1. Today's topic will be concentrated towards the components of business environment. हामी BBS-मा BBS-को तेस्रो वर्षमा बिजनेस इन्भाइरोमेन्ट एन्ड स्ट्राटेजिक म्यानेजमेन्ट अन्तर्गत अहिले हामी युनिट 1 मा छौँ। सो युनिट 1 को इंट्रोडक्शन टू बिजनेस इन्भाइरोमेन्ट मध्ये हामी अहिले चाहिँ एज यु क्यान सी इन द स्क्रिन यी टपिकहरू पर्छन् युनिट 1 मा, जस्तै कन्सेप्ट अफ बिजनेस इन्भाइरोमेन्ट, components of business environment, second topic, third topic, environmental scanning, इसका process, methods, the second types of environmental scanning, second last is environmental analysis process, and last one, importance of the study of business environment. यो कलर जुन गरिएको छ orange color, as you can see in the screen, orange color reminds us that it is about business environment. Maybe it may be concept, it may be the components, and it may be the importance. So we have to deal about the concept, components, and importance of business environments. Okay. After that, we'll be dealing about environmental scanning. As you can see, scanning. Environmental scanning, you have to remember three things: process, methods, and types. Regarding environmental scanning, we should learn about process, methods or techniques, and types. And lastly, we should be aware about environmental analysis process. So in this way, in this unit, we will be dealing about basically three topics. One, business environment. Second, environmental scanning. And third one, environmental analysis. So environment, scanning, and analysis. Let us deal one by one. In the last class, I have already explained about the concept of business environment. And today I'm going to deal about components of business environment. And regarding components, also we have finished the internal and a part of external components, that is called, we have already finished the task environment. We have finished internal environment, this we have finished, and task also we have finished. Now we are talking about what? General environment. So internal environment is within the control of organization. As you can know, as you can see, you know about SWOT analysis, SWOT, SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis means strength, weakness, opportunity, and threats. S and W, strength and weakness, is under the control of what? Organization control. Opportunity and threats, they are brought by external environments. External environment provides us opportunity as well as threats. We have to recognize earlier the threats. We have to recognize earlier. We have to grab opportunity. As soon as we should grab opportunity soonest as we can. So external environment is not under our control, but they provide opportunity and threats. The internal environment provides us strength and weakness. For example, let us take an example. Internal environment consists of employees, management, and what? Culture. For example, if we have talented employees, experienced employees, then what will happen? Is it our strength or weakness? Obviously, it is our what? Strength. If we have talented, experienced staffs in our organization, that is our strength. Similarly, if labor turnover, staff turnover is high in our organization, that is our what? Weakness. So it is under our control. High staffs are going out from our organization. We might think about that. We can rectify it. We can bring various solutions for this problem. So it is internal environment. It is under the control of organization. Basically, today we are going to deal about not the task environment, not the internal environment, but the general environment. Let us look at the general environment. Let us dig it. So already we have learned about internal environment. Similarly, we have also learned about task environment. It is also called operating environment. यसलाई operating पनि भनिन्छ. जस अन्तर्गत चाहिँ customers, suppliers, competitors, and creditors, distributors, media, government, pressure groups, various groups reside in under operating or task environment. They are called these. They are called stakeholders. Stakeholders. Okay. यसलाई हामी के भन्छौँ त सरोकारवालाहरू भन्छौँ. जसले हाम्रो कम्पनीमा सरकार राख्दछ हैन, यिनीहरुलाई के भनिन्छ त सरकारवाला. Stakeholders. It is bigger than shareholders. Stakeholders is bigger than what? Wider than shareholders. It is a comprehensive approach. So stakeholders means the task environment. It is also not under the control of organization, but not like general environment, not like macro environment. It is somewhat within the control, but not like internal environment. So we can clearly say that it is not under the control of organization. It falls under the external environment, the task environment. So for example, if the customers do not want to purchase from us, is it under our control? No. To some extent, we may make them happy. We may try to amuse them, but we may not 100%. So it is task environment. Suppliers, they may not supply us goods on time. So they are again under external environment. Similarly, competitors, we cannot influence them. We cannot bring under control competitors. So creditors, distributors, media, they may say one thing to the audience. So media is also not under our control. We may say something to them. We may request them, but we may not completely influence. So government and various pressure groups like labor union, examples of pressure groups. Pressure group may include various groups. For example, one is what? Labor union. Surya Nepal, in our Nepal, Viratnagar, Surya Nepal was closed just due to the single problem, that is labor union. Surya Nepal was not able to satisfy the laborers, the staff members. So in this way, it has to leave Viratnagar. So Surya Nepal, which was producing garments in Viratnagar, has ultimately shut down. So pressure groups include labor union and various other activists, various other groups. For example, various women group, various child-related issues handling groups, various groups may be under the pressure groups. It also creates pressure to us, to our business. Now let us finally move on to general environment. It is also called a macro environment. So general environment has several components. The components. The components of macro environments are P, E, S, T, L, N, political, economic, socio-cultural, technological, legal, natural environment, and finally we can also say global environment. So in this way, P, E, S, T, L, N, G. So now we are going to explain about E. Later on, we'll be dealing about P, okay? E means economic environment. This economic environment consists of, again, 4 elements. They are economic system, economic policies, economic conditions, and economic integration. In the last class, I told about integration. Today, I'm going to say about economic system. economic policies, and economic condition. And also, I want to revise about economic integration. So let us move on to our main topic, economic system. What is this economic system? It includes a nation's economic system can be free market economy, centralized or planned economy, or a mixed system. For example, एउटा युएसए को कुरा गर्ने हो भने अमेरिका युएसए एउटा के हो त एक्जाम्पल फ्री मार्केट इकोनोमीको एक्जाम्पल हो। त्यहाँ चाहिँ कम्पनीहरू अर्गनाइजेसनहरू सबै कसको हातमा छ त प्राइभेट सेक्टरको हातमा छ। यो युएसए को एक्जाम्पल हो। अरू पनि संसारमा धेरै कन्ट्रीहरू छन्। देयर आर सो मेनी countries in the world that they practice free market economy. That means market is freely handed over to the public, to the general public. The government will not control, will not influence the market. The demand and supply are freely done by what? The private organizations. So whatever the business are there in the country, all the business, maybe it may be large, it may be small, they will be handled by what? The private people, the common people, not the government. Let us look on to next, centralized or planned economy. Centralized or what? Or this is or planned economy. That means the socialist country, not the democratic country. Socialist country practice this centralized or planned economy. For example, in North Korea, we may say the, then, China. That means the past China. Past China. चाइनामा के हुँदो रहेछ भने पहिले चाहिँ कुनै किसानले खेती गर्नु पर्थ्यो भने म मेरो खेतमा के लाउँ, म मेरो खेतमा के उब्जाउँ भनेर सोध्नु पर्ने हुन्थ्यो हैन। पहिलेका राजाहरूलाई महाराजाहरूलाई सो उनीहरूले आलु रोप भन्दा आलु रोप्ने, धान रोप भन्दा धान रोप्ने। हेर्ने कस्तो कन्ट्रोल रहेछ क्या, सरकारको कन्ट्रोल। बिजनेस सबै कसको हातमा छ त? थियो त सरकारको हैन चाइनामा। सो मिडियाहरू, इभन मिडिया पनि कसको कन्ट्रोलमा? चाइनाको गभर्नमेन्टको कन्ट्रोलमा मिडिया भनेको। चाइनामा जे पनि गर्न पायो हैन, जे पनि क्राइमहरू गर्न पायो मिडियामा आएन। सो टिभी च्यानल पनि एकदमै कम्ती थियो पहिले। अहिले त चाइना एकदम राम्रो भएर आछ। सो नर्थ कोरिया, देन चाइना, क्युबा, देयर आर सो मेनी कन्ट्रीज, सोशलिस्ट कन्ट्री। सो लास्ट वान इज मिक्स्ड सिस्टम। यो भनेको चाहिँ मिश्रित खालको दुईटै इकोनोमी प्र्याक्टिस हुने। फर एक्जाम्पल नेपाल हेर्ने, नेपालमा मिक्स सिस्टम छ। अहिले पनि नेपालमा लगभग 35-36 वटा कम्पनीहरू के छ त? अराउन्ड 36 or 35 companies which are under the what? Under the hands of government. For example, नेपाल टेलिकम। नेपाल टेलिकमको कुरा गर्ने हो भने नेपाल टेलिकममा कति छ त कम शेयर? लगभग 94% गभर्नमेन्टको अनि अराउन्ड 6% कसको त? स्टाफको, त्यहाँ काम गर्ने कर्मचारीको शेयर हैन। ल हेर्ने नेपाल टेलिकम। सो नेपालमा अझै, तर यो त नाफा कमाएको कम्पनी हो। अझै पनि नेपालमा कति कम्पनी छ जो घाटामा छ हैन। नेपाल ओइल कर्पोरेसन, अब यो नेपाल इलेक्ट्रिसिटी अथोरिटी पनि प्राइभेट सेक्टरको हातमा दिन मिल्छ नि त, तर दिया छैन। अहिले पनि अब कुलमान घिसिङ आएको बेलामा नाफामा जान्छ भनिन्छ, नाफामा जान्छ, अरू बेला घाटामै जाने हो। पहिले निकै अर्ब घाटा थियो, अहिले बल्ल बल्ल के छ त? नाफा घाटा बराबर हुँदै हुँदै अहिले अब नेपाल इलेक्ट्रिसिटी अथोरिटी NEA ले पनि के गरिरहेछ त? नाफा कमाइरहेको खबर हामी सुन्न सक्छौँ। सो विभिन्न संस्थाहरू छन् नेपालमा जुन चाहिँ पब्लिक प्राइभेट दुईटैको इक्वल पार्टिसिपेसन छ। नेपालमा प्राइभेट सेक्टर पनि छन् हैन। तर नेपालको सबैभन्दा पहिलेको पुरानो सिमेन्ट फ्याक्ट्री हिमाल सिमेन्ट फ्याक्ट्री बन्द भएको छ। निकै अगाडि बन्द भएको यो हिमाल सिमेन्ट फ्याक्ट्री। नेपालमा चाहिँ पब्लिक कम्पनीहरू, गभर्नमेन्ट ओन्ड कम्पनीहरू चाहिँ राम्रोसँग चलेको देख्न सकिँदैन। बाँसबारी जुत्ता उद्योगहरू भयो, विभिन्न कम्पनीहरू बन्द भइसके। अहिले घटेर साइज चाहिँ अराउन्ड 35-36 मा आएको छ। र बिस्तारै बिस्तारै सुन्नमा यो आएको छ कि अब वायु सेवा निगम नेपाल एयरलाइन्स पनि बिस्तारै बिस्तारै अब प्राइभेट सेक्टरको हातमा दिने कि भन्ने पनि खबर सुन्नमा आइरहेको छ। अब बिस्तारै त्यो दिन पनि आउला र अन्त्यमा यो 36 जुन छ यो जिरोमा आओस्, ताकि सबै सेक्टर चाहिँ के हो त? बिजनेस चाहिँ कम्प्लिटली कसको ह्यान्डमा जाओस् त? प्राइभेट सेक्टरको हातमा जाओस्। नेपालमा त्यही पनि अहिले मिक्स सिस्टम प्र्याक्टिस भइरहेको देख्न सकिन्छ। नेक्स्ट वान, इकोनोमिक वाट? पोलिसिज। इकोनोमिक पोलिसी भन्नाले मोनिटरी पोलिसी, फिस्कल पोलिसी र अर्को इन्डस्ट्रियल पोलिसी। म यो चाहिँ नेक्स्ट अर्को भिडियोमा केही कुराहरू व्यक्त गर्नेछु। अहिलेलाई थ्याङ्क यू।